Feel your client or how to make a simple miracle. You probably have heard more than once that masters of beauty services are sometimes even called psychologists. If any of your clients considers that you are a psychologist, super, then you are a real master of your craft, because the one who knows how to feel subtly, catches the needs and expectations of the client, is a real Yoda. Most clients come to us in order to speak out, find a person on the same wave, relax, etc. Not everyone will go to a psychologist. There is still a taboo in our society on this topic, and often it is more expensive, so everyone runs. To a hairdresser, a manicure professional, to a bartender, to an astrologer or a fortune teller. To those who know how to listen, hear, forgive and understand, disperse the clouds over their head, or maybe to those you can just have fun together. In addition to the advice that I gave in the book, I want to share another one. Now listen, a person needs about 20 minutes to speak out, then he or she waits for your reaction, maybe just support or wise advice. Give them what they want, but remember no negativity. For example, the client told you about what worries them. Rack your brain for a similar story, but only if it has a happy end. So you program your client to believe that everything will be fine. Distract or surprise her with something incredible and funny. You will cheer her up, help her get rid of fears, or maybe help to find the right solution or motivate for accomplishment. See here. Almost every one of us has a story. How a woman you know went to a fortune teller, and she said that the woman would find her love, would have a nice house, and all of her dreams would come true. And you ask, did it come true? The answer is yes. What did the fortune teller do? She gave her faith in the good, programmed for a miracle. And as one of the great Russian writers, Fyodor Tuchov said, "Whatever life teaches us, the heart still believes in miracles." Do not share your troubles with the client. Remember, this is the client who needs to feel better after the appointment with you, not the other way round. If you start complaining as well, then you will only make her feel worse. You will make her feel miserable as well as you will feel miserable yourself. Or even worse, you will attract a vampire who will come to you only to feel her superiority. Vampires like to provoke you to complaints. First, she complains herself. You react and start to complain yourself, and she is pleased, fresh energy. And time after time, she will be feeding on your despair. There are few vampires, but if they choose you, then you will not have enough energy for those who really need to relax. How to get the upper hand? Secure the crucifix, aspen stake, and garlic. I am just kidding. When such a person comes, concentrate mentally and say that you are doing well. Tell her only positive stories, and soon she will vanish into the blue. We, masters of services, not only create physical beauty, but also share a piece of our internal one. With your support, warmth, responsiveness, and the ability to guess the desires of the client, you give her a miracle about which each of your clients will tell her friends, thereby attracting more clients to you.